Now, you may want to assign a password to your MySQL server, and I'll show you how you can do this. Go to the XAMPP control panel and click this admin button next to MySQL. This should bring up your default browser, and it should give you access to the admin module where you can change parameters for MySQL. So this screen, as you see, is in German, and this may be what you will see. You can simply change this to English. Click Go, and the interface should change to English. Once you change your interface to English, click on Privileges. That will bring up another screen, as you see. And here, uh, for this user, root localhost, click on Edit Privileges. That will bring up this dialog. And if you scroll down, you'll see this Change Password section where you can assign a password to your MySQL installation. The password I will use for simplicity is PASS, P-A-S-S. Type that, and I retype it, and I click Go. Okay, with this, the new password for our for the root user on our MySQL server is now PASS. If I go back to my test scripts and try to run the one that goes without a password, you'll see that this will not work. If I try to run the one that goes with a password, this will not work either. The reason for that is the password in this file does not match the password that I assigned. The password in this script is password, and the password that I assigned a minute ago to my server is pass. So I need to go in this PHP file and change the password to be used with my server. Here's how I do that. You'll need your Windows Explorer. Start Windows Explorer. And then navigate to the htdocs folder under your XAMPP folder. That should be right under your root folder on the hard drive. You should find the XAMPP folder, and in that you'll find the htdocs folder. You'll remember that we created a separate INFM 718 and folder under that while saving the test scripts. So I go in there and find the script that I want to change. I right click on it, and I click on open. Now your Windows most probably will not be able to open a PHP file by default because it's not registered as a known type yet. So we'll need to select a program to open it. And for the time being, I suggest that you use Notepad unless you already have an advanced text editor installed. If you have that, if you want to use that advanced text editor to edit your PHP files, select that. If you don't have an advanced Notepad or text editor, just select the basic text editor that comes with Windows, which is Notepad. Um, Later on, you can install an advanced text editor, and I have a list of text editors that I suggest in the PowerPoint slideshow. And with that, open the script in your notepad. Now, as you see, the username here is root and the password is password. We need to change that to pass, P-A-S-S, because that's what we assigned to our MySQL server as the password for the root user. If you assigned a different password, of course, you need to insert that particular password here instead of that password entry. Save your file, close it, close the navigation windows, and go back to your browser and retry running the test script with password. If you see this number or some similar output without any error messages, you know that you were successful in setting up your password and changing the script.